Marlon Williams taku ingoa. He uri no kai Tahu, he kai waiata hau. My whole life, I've always sung in Māori, and it was formative in terms of how I thought about music. And then in 2019, after a sort of heavy bout of touring, I came home and I didn't want to waste time. I wanted to go into a te reo Māori and a waiata Māori space. There was always the whakamā of not being a fluent te reo speaker. I wanted to contribute. It involved bringing in someone who I respected, but also their toi, their artfulness, their creativity. And I met Komi just by chance in Littleton, and from the get-go the humour was there. That's the seed of all fruitful creative collaborations. I just loved the playfulness of the reo, you know, the translingual puns and the lightness, you know, it made me feel at ease. Tino harikoa, when a lot of tamariki, a lot of kura are doing a couple of the waiata from the record, in the vein of hitting New Melbourne, like how do we keep the reo alive? It's getting into the mouths of the tamariki. Is very inspiring just to see that has happened in that way. I think kōrero Māori is a favourite just for that reason. Been for a long time for me. Has been something I've wanted to put into a waiata. If I, with my sort of kitchen sink Māori, can with a lot of support, make something, you know, a whole album that's robust and that can travel out into the world. I just want to see lots of different versions of waiata Māori in the world. Aroha.